Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Press. So let's start our current affairs of July 1st, 2021 from on this day. So on this day, there are too many days to celebrate. The first one is National Doctors Day. So in India, Doctors Day is observed on 1st July to mark the importance of doctors hold in our lives. This day is also meant to commemorate the medical industry and its advancements. And the next one is National Postal Worker Day. It is observed every year on 1st July to thank and appreciate all men and women who work consistently and diligently to deliver all our mail and packages. And there is a day, Canada Day. Canada Day is celebrated annually on 1st July and it is a statutory holiday. This day marks the anniversary of the formation of Union of the British North America Provinces in Federation under the name of Canada. And Chartered Accounts Day. The Institute of CA of India ICAI was established on 1st July 1949 and so in India it is marked as Chartered Accounts Day. And the first question is, according to Hotels 50 2021 report released by Brand Finance, which of the following hotel tops the list? And the options are A. Rajdhani, B. Taj, C. Noma and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. Taj. Taj has been rated as the strongest hotel brand across the world. Taj was given an overall brand strength index of 89.3 out of 100 and AAA ranking. And the second question is, which of the following city suburban rail project will start in the month of September 2021? And the options are A. Chennai, B. Noida, C. Vadodara and D. Bengaluru. And the correct answer is D. Bengaluru. Project is expected to be completed by 2026. Project will be completed at an estimated cost of 15,767 crores. Bengaluru Suburban Rail Project was projected by Karnataka government in 1983. This project will be implemented by Rail Infrastructure Development Company, Karnataka. Project will connect Bengaluru with its suburban through a rail-based rapid transit system. And the third question is, which of the space organization is set to hire and launch world's first physically disabled astronaut? And the options are A. ESA, B. ISRO, C. NASA and D. CSA. And the correct answer is A. ESA. European Space Agency is established in 1975 and it is set to hire and launch world's first physically disabled astronaut. And the fourth question is, who was appointed as additional charge of the chairman of NDDB? And the options are A. R.K. Sodhi, B. Neenish Shah, C. both A and B and D. Varghese Kurian. And the correct answer is B. Neenish Shah. National Dairy Development Board founded on 16 July 1965. National Dairy Development Board was founded by Dr. Verghese Kurien, and now Meenir Shah was appointed as additional charge of the chairman of NDDB. And the fifth question is, which of the following country has the largest number of butterflies in the world? And the options are A. Canada, B. Brazil, C. Colombia, and D. South Africa. And the correct answer is C. Colombia. According to report published by the Natural History Museum in London, Colombia has the largest number of butterflies in the world. And the sixth question is, who is the author of the book titled Policymakers Journal from New Delhi to Washington DC? And the options are A. S.K. Mandal, B. Kaushik Basu, C. Rajiv Shukla, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Kaushik Basu. Kaushik Basu was the chief economist of World Bank from 2012 to 2016. From 2009 to 2012, Basu served as chief economic advisor to the government of India, and he is now the author of the book titled Policymakers Journal from New Delhi to Washington DC. And the seventh question is, which of the following state has started a supporting Andhra's Learning Transformation SALT program? And the options are A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Orissa, and D. Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is D. Andhra Pradesh. It is to transform state government schools into competitive one. It's a 5-year project. And the eighth question is, which of the following country is hosting Mobile World Congress MWC? And the options are A. Madrid, B. Barcelona, C. Canada, and D. Finland. The correct answer is B. Barcelona. Mobile World Congress is world's biggest mobile event of the 2021. Mobile World Congress is being conducted from June 28 to July 1, 2021. MWC 2021 was originally scheduled for March 2021, postponed due to COVID. It being hosted global system for mobile communications. And the ninth question is, who among the following was selected as one of the 3 recipients of the Fukuoka Prize 2021? And the options are A. P. Sainath, B. Professor Kishimoto Mio, C. Prabda Yoon, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. P. Sainath. He will receive the grand prize of the Fukuoka Prize. Professor Kishimoto Mio will receive the academic prize. Filmmaker Prabda Yoon will receive the art and culture prize. 11 Indians have received the Fukuoka Prize so far, established in 1990. 115 people from 28 countries have received the prize in the past 30 years. Award established by City of Fukuoka and Fukuoka City International Foundation. This year's award ceremony will be held online on September 29. And the 10th question is, 7th ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021 has been shifted to the which country? And the options are A. UAE, B. Oman, C. both A and B, and D. South Africa. And the correct answer is C. both A and B. Tournament set to run from 17th October to 14th November 2021. Upcoming edition will be the first men's T20 World Cup played since 2016. Tournament venues are in 4 cities, mainly Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah and Oman Cricket Academy. And the 11th question is, which bank has partnered with ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel executed India's first digitized bill discounting transaction? And the options are A. HDFC Bank, B. S Bank, C. Axis Bank, and D. ICICI Bank. And the correct answer is D. ICICI Bank. It executed paperless bill transaction and it is partnered with ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel. And the 12th question is, which of the following organization partnered with InstaMojo to digitize and empower MSMEs and gig workers? And the options are A. MasterCard, B. Visa, C. RuPay, and D. American Express. And the correct answer is A. MasterCard. To support the MSME to get digitized by the setting up online stores, MasterCard committed to provide 250 crores in 2020 to support small businesses in India. And the 13th question is, which of the following organization has been selected Commercial Bank of Kuwait for treasury solution to transform its operations? And the options are A. Wipro, B. TCS, C. Infosys, and D. Byju's. And the correct answer is B. TCS. The treasury solution under the brand name of TCS BANCS. It will support Commercial Bank of Kuwait to offer wider range of cash and derivative treasury products. And the one-liners today are: Twitter appoints American Jeremy Kessel as new grievance officer for India. WhatsApp appoints Manish Mahatme as head of payments in India. SIDBI and GAME joined to revive MSMEs suffered from pandemic. Umesh Sinha reappointed as the Deputy Election Commissioner of India. SIDBI is nothing but Small Industry Development Bank of India, and GAME is nothing but Global Alliance for Mass Entrepreneurship. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.